What is this?
This is a big fish.
This is a whale. This is a whale. What is this?
This is a fish.
This is a lionfish. This is a lionfish. What is this?
Octopus.
This is an octopus. This is an octopus. What is this?
This is jellyfish.
This is a jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. What is this?
This is a turtle.
This is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. What is this?
This is a hand.
This is a flounder. This is a flounder. What is this?
Oh, there is a fish. This is Nemo.
This is a clownfish. This is a clownfish.
No.
What is this?
This is my sister.
This is a seal. This is a seal. What is this?
This is my brother.
This is a walrus. This is a walrus. What is this?
This is me.
This is a cuttlefish. This is a cuttlefish. What is this?
Sad. This is a snake.
This is a sea snake. This is a sea snake. What is this?
Look at the eyes. What is this?
This is a hammerhead shark. This is a hammerhead shark.
Whatever.
What is this?
This is a fish tank fish.
This is a chameleon fish. This is a chameleon fish.
Okay.
What is this?
This is a flower. Sea flower.
This is a sea anemone. This is a sea anemone. What is this?
This is snail.
This is a snail. This is a snail. What is this?
This is a stone.
This is a giant clam. This is a giant clam.
Oh.
What is this?
Oh, what is in the mouth?
This is a narwhal. This is a narwhal. What is this?
Drinking water by straw.
This is a sandfish. This is a sandfish. What is this?
I know it.
This is a stingray. This is a stingray. What is this?
This is starfish.
This is a starfish. This is a starfish. What is this?
This is you.
This is a marine iguana. This is a marine iguana.
Whatever.
What is this?
Jellyfish?
This is a moon jellyfish. This is a moon jellyfish. What is this?
What? It is very small.
This is a krill. This is a krill. What is this?
This is angry fish.
This is a mako shark. This is a mako shark.
Okay.
What is this?
We can eat this.
This is an oyster. This is an oyster. What is this?
This is colorful fish.
This is a mandarin fish. This is a mandarin fish. What is this?
Nemo's friend.
This is a surgeonfish. This is a surgeonfish. What is this?
Oh, it's eating a fish.
This is a squid. This is a squid. What is this?
This is what?
This is a better fish. This is a better fish. What is this?
Green fish.
This is an eel. This is an eel. What is this?
Blackfish.
This is a manta ray. This is a manta ray. What is this?
This is sea.
This is a coral. This is a coral. What is this?
This is purple.
This is a sea urchin. This is a sea urchin.
Sea
What
urchin.
is this?
Dolphin, I know it.
This is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. What is this?
This is
This is a cleaner shrimp. This is a
Shrimp.
cleaner shrimp. What is this?
this is a fish.
This is a ribbon fish. This is a ribbon fish. What is this?
Oh, big eye.
This is a firefly squid. This is a firefly squid.
Okay.
What is this?
This is my
This is a
boyfriend.
manatee. This is a manatee. What is this?
Okay. It's cute. What
This is a pipefish. This is a pipefish.
Okay.
What is this?
This is
a Goliath grouper. This is a Goliath grouper.
Wallet group.
What is this?
What? I don't like it.
This is a sea cucumber. This is a sea cucumber. What is this?
This is a stone.
This is a stonefish. This is a stonefish.
Okay, bye guys.